welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a DIY project for my house makeover. So if you guys want to see how it turns out, please watch the video till the end because you don't want to miss it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave everything that I use in the description box down below, so you can check it out. So there's sometimes you have some stuff at the house, you can just like give it a touch up and then it will be useful. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for whenever I upload. You will be the first to know. Okay, for all my return subscribers, thank you for your support, and I'm really truly grateful for all of you guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video, so please don't forget to comment and give me a thumbs up if you like it. I use white for the design for the doors because that was the look that I was going for, white and silver. Okay, that's the finished look. Let me know what you think, if you like it. And I think it turns out really great. And I put the little mirrors. I didn't show how I did it. My phone died, so I'll leave everything in link down below guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.